make sure you use gloves. You want to make sure you use the stand to help balance and maintain the motorcycle from falling. So we're going to use a 32 milliliter socket on this torque wrench to remove this rear wheel out. You want to make sure you remove the chain. So once the tire is removed, I'm going to get ready to clean it. For my tire clean, I've used this heavy duty wheel tire cleaner. To brush, I have this little handy dandy scrub brush. Spray it down with some water. Time to dry it down with a microfiber towel. I want to make sure the spacing from back here is identical to the one on this side. That way the chain is not too tight or too loose. So as you can see here, it's pretty balanced. You also want to make sure that the chain is not too loose once you reinstall it. Should be about that much space in between the chain and this wing arm. Looks good.